G'day everybody and welcome to Matty's workshop. Santa Claus decided to come early this year by a couple of days. I finally got a mill. I wasn't going to get a mill, but then I decided, well, I will, and I did. I have been thinking of getting one for quite a while. I wasn't going to consider I had the shaper, but for doing radiuses and that type of stuff, this would be a lot better. And even just for drilling more precise holes. I've still got my old pedals to drill, I'll keep it. But yeah, I haven't done a video making any on it yet. I've just buggered around and made that plate for the bottom. I made a fly cutter some time ago. There it is there. Made that some time ago before I even had the shaper. And only had the old lathe. I was going to keep that. I was going to use it in the old lathe, and I never finished it really. It just I just had to drill and tap the for the set screws there. But that worked quite well. I did get a good finish. So I've just been playing around with that, basically just playing around with the mill, just getting a bit familiar with it. Yeah, it's quite nice to use. It's definitely not a Bridgeport, but my bank account ain't that big. So that was an early Christmas present to myself, or from the family, and yeah. I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. I've been going only around 5 or 6 months, and I've just clicked over 311 subscribers, I believe. Absolutely blown away, and the friendship in the community of YouTube is beautiful. So I'd like to say thank you to everybody. It means a lot to me. I admitted I suffer from depression quite severely, and YouTube's a great way for me to get out of a bad day and into a good mind. So yeah, once again guys, I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Yeah, Christmas is here. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a safe Christmas. I know the roads around here are getting quite busy with holiday traffic. Please stay safe if you're going anywhere this year. If you're 5 minutes late, who cares? Who cares you're an hour late? You're on holidays. Just enjoy it. So, I hope everybody's well. I hope you all have a lovely new year. I definitely will be getting stuck into a few more, well, I hope a bit more technical videos next year, sort of improving on my editing a lot. I would like to anyway, and learn a bit more about that. I know I'm only a small channel, but it's grown by the week. It really blows me away, the generosity of people with their comments and help, and yeah, it's unbelievable. So thank you again, guys. I can't say thanks enough. I've had some pretty bad down days, and yeah, I just read through some comments, and even that's enough to give you a smile on your face. So much appreciated anyway. So I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and please stay safe. Love your family. Yeah, we only get one crack at life, so make the best of it. Okay guys, I'll see you hopefully soon with a video doing a job on the mill, I hope. I did shout myself a collet set. It's a Morse taper 3, this one. It's only got a set of collets, only 6 collets in it. Common sizes, but if anyone's got an abundance of collets and they'd like to sell some at a fair price, please get in touch with me. I'd be more than happy to talk just about, yeah, I'd like to buy some more collet, the ER32. So, and any other tooling for a mill, if anyone's got an abundance of stuff and they want to get rid of some, please get in touch with me. See if we can come to an agreement somewhere, and yeah. Okay, thanks guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.